Alright guys, you have seen it in a few YouTube videos by other preppers out there like Urban Prepper and there's probably a few others. But this little guy right here, I literally fell in love with this tool after seeing it on Urban Prepper's channel, which thumbs up to that guy. He's really, really cool. I really like watching his videos. But I decided to go ahead and purchase this guy, and I'm going to do a quick review of it so far. I have it already cut open and stuff like that, and I put all the tools back. I did have my, I did follow suit with Urban Prepper, and I did have some tools in one of these guys. But I took them out. I do like it in this little carrying case too, and it does fit right inside of an Altoid tin. It's really sweet. But yeah, I did go online and I did pick this up. It wasn't cheap. It was like around 30 bucks. But it does come with you can see the little accessories there, an extender. I guess it's right here. But this is the case that it comes in, It has some instructions on the back. You can see all this stuff. If you pick it up, I do recommend picking it up. It's actually a really nice kit to have. So I don't use it on a bicycle. I don't really have a bicycle that I ride anymore. However, I did just fix my parents' bikes, and I did use this. I decided, I was like, you know what? I am going to specifically use this piece to fix their tires, and it worked pretty good. I did take more things apart than I needed to and put it back together just to test it out, but I can say without a shadow of a doubt this thing does work. It is pretty self-explanatory. I didn't use any of these things, though. I could have. I literally just put new tires on there, but they had like yeah, whatever. I'm not going to get into that. But it has in the extender. I like all the little placemats, actually. I'll set it up here. But these things are used to actually pull off the tires. They're like stuck together. I haven't even used them. You can see. Yeah, there you go. They snap apart. But the tool itself is really, really strong. If you look at this part, come on. Yeah, I just clipped it back on here, and it does. This piece does not want to stay here. It does fit nice and snug inside of an Altoid tin. Look at that. And Urban Prepper has it. He has it on the very, very top of his tin. And it is a really, really cool tool. But the little bits are sweet too. I had the bits inside of one of those smaller containers, as I said earlier. But I did take them out. I could carry those around with me inside of one of my Altoid tins. Actually, I probably would. But where I actually do use this, I have it in a backpack, and I have a little designated slot. But I don't really have use for many of these different types of bits, But all in all, it's nice to be prepared just in case, And I'm hunting down a different, like a set, maybe a Ratchet set that has the same size bits, because I do have another, like a cheap Walmart kit that I do use. It has a slightly longer tool, but the bits are also smaller, which is funny because you would think that the smaller set would have smaller bits, but the bits that I have on the Walmart set are actually smaller than these, and they won't fit in there, which is kind of unfortunate because there's a lot of cool bits on that tool that I would really like to use. In fact, I kept that mostly in all my kits all the way up until I got this guy, but I wanted to go ahead and give this give it a whirl, because I have seen it on other channels and stuff like that, and it does have a nice presentation, and I had the extra money laying around, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go and pick it up and I will do a quick review. So this is the tool, Ratchet Rocket Light Deluxe, and or DX. I don't know if that's deluxe to you guys, but all in all, it is a pretty cool thing. If you do ride bikes, if you live in a big city, I can definitely say that this would probably be a very handy tool to keep with you, especially if you do put it in an Altoid tin and only keep the bits that you think that you would use, quite regularly. It does fit inside. It is really, really, it's practical, and if not, if you don't have a bike and stuff like that, still, I would pick up something similar to this, and just carry it in your car or carry it in a backpack just in case. You never know. If you have electronics, if you ride a moped or a scooter, or even a skateboard, this could probably help out, but when you're on the quick move and so that, and you want to carry something light, it is quite a handy tool to have. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll be back with another video shortly.